Alright, y'all, so what's up? It's Eddie Boke. So look, check this out, man. I had a video planned. I filmed this quite a while ago. I filmed this like around my birthday time, so like August 2nd. It's not a 22nd, alright? But the problem was I was trying to get the footage that I had from my phone off and then, be able to put into the video. So half the video is pretty much missing. Anyway, enjoy this video, man. It's just me, my dad, my uncle, and my grandpa were fixing on a car, basically attempting to, like, get it from wrecked back to put together. It's missing a little bit of footage, but just want to get some content out there. I do expect to do a lot more of this. Like I said, I'm going to do the same thing with my Dodge Charger. So you might see another video like this, but the other one's going to be more fully done because I'm going to have my camera the whole time. All right.